With the Delta variant on the rise, COVID-19 cases are surging again inside nursing homes and assisted living facilities. Throughout the pandemic, our investigators tracked thousands of serious cases and deaths inside these long-term care facilities. Avery Travis has the latest numbers and how families of these residents are responding.
Tammy Parker has been visiting her sister at the Austin State Supported Living Center for decades.
Nobody can hug like Jackie can hug.
The pandemic pulled them apart for several months, during which Jackie actually got sick with COVID-19 and beat it.
That's my sissy. She's just a fighter.
Parker's hoping, even with her sister's age and underlying health conditions, she'll be able to stand strong against the virus yet again. The Austin State Supported Living Center is just one of 26 long-term care facilities in the area, which has reported at least one new case of COVID-19 over the last month. Around half of the 130 cases were reported to Austin Public Health in just the last 2 weeks. State data shows active cases in nursing homes in particular spiked across Texas this past winter. But as residents and staff became the first to get access to the vaccine, positive tests dropped dramatically and stayed low in these facilities for months. In just the last few weeks, the numbers are beginning to creep back up again.
I don't think they fear the virus as much as they fear being separated from their loved ones.
The new cases have some families worried these facilities could close again to visitors. Mary Nichols, whose mother lives in a nursing home outside of Dallas, spent most of last year fighting for legislation to prevent that from happening.
She lost the ability to recognize me. She lost the ability to make eye contact.
Advocates with AARP say roughly 75% of nursing home residents are vaccinated in Texas.
But if you have someone who has underlying health conditions and who is over 65, they're at greater risk.
But AARP is worried about the nearly half of Texas nursing home staff and employees who've yet to receive a vaccine, and this week began pushing for vaccine requirements.
People want to know when they put someone in a nursing home that they're going to be safe.
Parker says she credits the employees at the State Supported Living Center for getting her sister healthy.
Had she not been in the center with that stellar care, I really have my doubts that she would have survived this.
Now she's waiting for the day they can hug without the mask.
I hope that it happens.
Avery Travis.
I don't know that it will, but I hope with all my heart that it will.
For State of Texas.
Austin Public Health's medical director said many of the recent cases they've seen inside these facilities were mild or did not result in hospitalizations due to high vaccination rates among residents. And we still continually update the number of COVID-19 cases in all Texas nursing homes and Texas assisted living facilities. We've had more than 95,000 infections and nearly 11,000 deaths. We have links to our continuing coverage right now in the Texas Politics section of our website. Thank you again for joining us for State of Texas. I'm Josh Hinkle. We'll be back next week to bring you an in-depth look at Texas politics.